There's a lack of everything, and of course it's cold. The winter is going on, so people need to be kept warm. Um, we've set up small clinics just to look after people's injuries.
The earthquake, in a couple of seconds, destroyed the lives of many people in Turkey and in the northwest of Syria. And World Vision very quickly started to provide support. Syria, where the war has been going on for 12 years, we took a different approach than in Turkey, where we supplemented the work that was already done by government institutions and other donors. But I'd like to stress that World Vision Syria response could only do this with the support of those support officers around the world who started raising money to support the victims of the earthquake. And it's been amazing. Their response has been truly a blessing. And we were able to respond in a much more profound way than many other organizations. We had funding available right from the start, and we were able to commit funding to our partners who immediately started to do the same things that our staff were doing on the ground, providing food, providing water, providing shelter and heat because it was in the middle of the winter. So we've decided as World Vision Syria Response that this is not just a one-time intervention. We need to continue this for a number of years. We're committed to stay and to help where it is needed. We will integrate our response, our earthquake response, into our normal, regular response, the Syria response. But obviously, we're World Vision, so we will focus on children and we will focus on protection and livelihoods.